Today we are reviewing the Max Sports Heavy Duty Folding Utility Wagon. We absolutely love this thing. Grocery store trips, you can take everything in one swoop. It doesn't matter. There's no such thing as two trips anymore. We're going out of town, we can put all our luggage in it and wheel it out to the car. If you stay in an apartment complex or an apartment building where you don't want to go up and down some stairs, and at least if you have long hallways, this thing works perfectly. I mean, it's a heavy duty steel frame. Like I said, we've had it for years. The tires, they don't flat, they're rubber, they're pretty solid. It has a handle on it that extends. The handle pops off here. And if you need to make it longer, if you're taller, you can extend it and then lock it in so it can't move. And then when it's time to put this beautiful cart away, let's show how easy this is. You pull up in the middle, boom, and then you have your little carry. So yes, this is by far one of the best heavy duty carts that we purchased. We like it. We know you would love it. It's a beautiful wagon. It's by Max Sports. It's very heavy duty and it will last a long time. Like I said, it's lasted us some years. So if you guys are looking for a nice wagon, if you're interested in something like this, I mean, if you're going to the beach, taking your kids on a trip or something, anything like that, tailgating, this is a great cart. It's just all purpose and you can use it in many different ways. So this is one of the best purchases, or just one of the items that we love the most that we've purchased. So yeah, it's beautiful. Once again, this is the Max Sports Heavy Duty Folding Utility Wagon, and it has a 150-pound capacity. I failed to mention that, but it literally does, and you can use it in so many different ways. So if you guys are looking for one and you want to try it out, let us know what you think about it.